In this session, we will discuss about the advantages and the disadvantages of the Mendeleev's classification, or we can say the merits and the demerits of Mendeleev's classification. Let us first of all consider the merits of Mendeleev's classification. What is the first and the foremost merit? That is, Mendeleev's periodic law predicted the existence of some elements which had not been discovered that time, so that when these elements were discovered, they could get their positions very easily as the gaps or the spaces were left in his periodic table. Which were these elements? For example, gallium, scandium, germanium. What is the other merit of the Mendeleev's periodic law? That is, Mendeleev's periodic table could predict the properties of the several elements on the basis of their positions. For the then unknown elements which were discovered later, he predicted their properties, and when these elements were discovered, there were found the accuracies for their physical and the chemical properties. Then the third merit is that Mendeleev's periodic table could accommodate the noble gases when they were discovered later. It means the noble gases got their positions very easily in the Mendeleev's periodic table. But apart from these advantages, this periodic table had the certain demerits or the limitations, or we can say the anomalies. What is the first demerit? That is the position of isotopes. This system of the classification could not ascertain the position of the isotopes. Students, do you know that what are the isotopes? Isotopes are the elements, or you can say that the atoms of the same elements which have the similar atomic number and different atomic mass. For example, isotopes of hydrogen, 1H1, 1H2, 1H3. That means protium, deuterium, tritium. Similarly, isotopes of chlorine. Chlorine has the atomic mass of 35. Another isotope is having the atomic mass 37. So according to the Mendeleev's classification, if the elements are arranged on the basis of their increasing atomic masses, it means that for an element which is having either the 2 isotopes or the 3 isotopes or the 4 isotopes existing in the nature, for that same element, it gets accommodated in 2 or 3 different or 4 different positions, which is quite wrong. Then another demerit of the Mendeleev's periodic table is that wrong order of the atomic masses of some elements could not be explained. For example, the position of the cobalt and the nickel. The cobalt is having the higher atomic mass and the nickel is having the lower atomic mass, and both are ascertaining the wrong position in his periodic table. Then the third demerit of the Mendeleev's classification is that hydrogen could not be assigned the correct position. There had been the great controversy regarding the position of the hydrogen, because the hydrogen is anomalous in nature. In some properties, it resembles to the alkali metals, while in some of the properties, it resembles to the halogens. First of all, if we consider the alkali metals, for example, like the sodium, it reacts with the chlorine, with the oxygen and with the sulfur in the same manner as the hydrogen reacts with the chlorine, with the oxygen and with the sulfur. Similarly, if we consider the resemblance with the halogens, first of all, like the halogens, the hydrogen is also existing in the form of a diatomic molecule as H2. Then, like the halogens, the hydrogen reacts with the metals to form the compounds, and these compounds are the ionic compounds. Similarly, if the hydrogen reacts with the non-metals like that of the halogens, it forms the compounds which are covalent in nature. Similarly, these elements could not be assigned the proper positions in the periodic table. Now, the failure for the position of the isotopes, wrong order of the atomic masses, and the incorrect position of the hydrogen, that suggested that increasing atomic masses cannot be the property for classifying the elements. Rather, there must be some other fundamental property which can give the correct position to the elements in a periodic table. That we will discuss in the next session.